Many times on a website, you might be looking to change the order amount that a customer can actually purchase on the website. So an example of this is, let's say you want customers to have to order at least 5 products on your Shopify website. And so if you're looking for how to set this up, I'm going to break down how you can do this. So what you want to do now, you might need a little bit of technical knowledge how to set this up, but essentially what you want to do is you want to look for your product code, your whatever your code on your Shopify store that has the product information. That's where you want to look for. More specifically, you want to look for the actual input. By input, this is what I'm going to X this out. So input is this right here, this input that allows you to increase or decrease the quantity of products on the page. That's what you want to look for. So what you can do is you can do inspect, find the name of this input, and then search through in your code, whatever that name is in your Shopify website. More than likely, it's something similar to quantity input or something along those lines, but you want to do a search for that. And this is very simple how to set this up. Now that you've found this on your website, what you want to do is, let's come to our code here, is you look here and you see that there's a minimum value of 1 and then a value of 1. So let's just quickly see what this means. So this value here is whatever number is going to show as the minimum number that you can add on the product page. So for example, if I put this as 10 here and I save this code here, when I come to my product page and I refresh this page, you see how it has 10 here. That's displaying the minimum order amount that a customer can actually add to their cart. So let's say for this example, we want customers to only be allowed to purchase 10 products at least. They can order as many as they want, but they have to order at least 10 products. So we want to make sure that this is 10, but we also want to make sure that the minimum value that they can order is 10. So once you save that, you come here back to your product page, you refresh this page, and you notice that if you click to decrease the amount of products, it doesn't let you. All you can do is actually increase those products here. So that's a simple and easy way of how you can actually set the order amount of products on your page. Now, for user experience purposes, you also do want to make it known that customers have to order at least 10. You want to make that known somewhere on your website because some customers might get confused or think it's a bug or think something's wrong. But maybe you want to add it here under the product somewhere or on a banner here that, hey, you need to order at least 10 products, whatever the case may be. But you just want to make it clear on your website. But this is a very simple and easy way of how you can actually set the amount of products that a customer can add. Now, it's also important to keep in mind that we only did this for the product page. So for the actual cart page here, you see it can still go lower than 10. So you also need to adjust the code here. Sometimes you might have a drawer that may pop out to the side. As soon as you add a product, the drawer pops out. You can also toggle the amount of products in there too. So you want to make sure that you customize that as well, so that it matches your needs. But once again, very simple way how you can actually add this on your website. If you're looking to add this functionality on your website, or something similar and you need additional help, please feel free to reach out. I'll be more than happy to help you actually add this to your website. And one thing I also want to mention is we are starting our monthly maintenance plan. So if that's something that you're looking for, maybe you need additional help, maybe you need just a couple hours per week, you need some additional help on your website, please feel free to reach out. Or if you have any questions about how the plan works, I'll be more than happy to answer any question that you have. But once again, hope this video was helpful and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.